So this is the middle head walk. So this is the walk that has recently been redone. So right off the gate, the walk starts with a beautiful lookout overlooking the bay with the beautiful gum trees. Very nice. You don't feel like you're in a city anymore. The cost of the upgrade was $9.5 million and it took 6 years to complete. So together I think it's about 3-kilometer walk. Beautiful bushland here. Lots of fern trees all around. This is probably the closest car park to the trailhead, which is right in front of us right now. So I'm starting the trail right now. The beginning hasn't changed since the last time I've been here. I want to go to one of the beaches. One of the beaches is Obelisk, is the nudist beach. So I'm not sure if I want to go there. But I think it's a little bit too cold for the beach anyway. But I will definitely want to go to have a look at the Obelisk Beach, which is on the other side, just right before the car park. So as you can see, the first stop will be 1801 Battery, which is 270 meters from this point. So we are at the Obelisk Bay right now. You can see the historical buildings in here. There's a beautiful white obelisk. There's an Obelisk Beach. It's a bit of a detour. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough daylight to show you. It's a beautiful coastline here. I'm going to head back. It's a nice little side trail. Coming off the main one is a beautiful caves here. Very nice spot. So I actually took the unofficial shortcut through those little small trails by the coastline, and here we are at the Obelisk Beach. So that was the shortcut to the beach. The boardwalk is not very exciting. It's much more fun to take those little small trails. So entire trail is just a bunch of boardwalks. Now we're coming onto the lookout, and there's a few more places that we can stop, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. That is one of the final lookouts, overlooking towards the Manly and the Watson's Bay on the other side. So I think we're almost at the end of the trail. This is the observation, George's Head Observation Tower. So that is the final lookout of this walk. So that's it for the middle head.